Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a new Gmail account. So for this purpose, first you need to open your Gmail app on your mobile phone. Then at the top right corner, you have your profile button. Click on it. Then this will pop up on your screen. Here you have the option of add another account. Just tap on it. Then this will pop up on your screen. Here what you need to do, just set up email by adding account. So here I click on Google. Once you tap on it, then this type of page will appear. Here you have the option of create account. Click on it. Once you done this, then this will pop up. Here you need to choose one. So here I click on for my personal use. Once you tap on any of them, then this type of page will appear. Here you have two options, first name and surname. First you need to enter your first name and then surname. Once you're done with this, then here you have the button of next. Just tap on it. Then basic information page will pop up on your screen. Here what you need to do, just enter your birthday and gender. So for birthday, what you need to do, just enter your day, then month and then year. Once you done this, then under this you have the button of gender. Tap on it and choose the gender which you have. Then you have the button of next. Click on it. Then this page will appear on your screen. Here you need to create your username. Once you create username, then what you need to do, just create a strong password. Once you create password, then you have the button of next. Tap on it. Once you tap on this button, then this type of page will pop up. Here you need to tap on save or not now. It's your choice. Then through this page, you can review your account info. Once you review it, then click on next button. Then the page of privacy and terms will appear on your screen. Here you need to scroll down and here at the bottom you have the button of I agree. Click on it. Once you tap on it, your account is created as you can see here. So this is how you can create new Gmail account. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.